Welcome to our channel. If you want to subscribe to Nintendo Switch Online to play games online and access classic titles, follow these step-by-step instructions for complete setup. Step 1. Turn on your Nintendo Switch console and make sure it is connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or wired connection. Step 2. From the home screen, select your user profile icon in the top left corner to access your profile settings. Step 3. In your user profile, scroll down and select Nintendo Switch Online to view subscription options and features. Step 4. Choose the subscription plan you want. Options include individual membership for 1, 3, or 12 months, or family membership for up to 8 accounts for 12 months. Step 5. If you want additional classic games and DLC content, consider Nintendo Switch Online Plus Expansion Pack, which offers more features at a higher price. Step 6. Select your preferred plan duration and click Continue or Proceed to Purchasing screen. Step 7. Choose your payment method. You can use a credit card, PayPal, or Nintendo eShop funds. If using eShop funds, make sure you have sufficient balance. Step 8. Review your purchase details including the subscription type, duration, and total cost. Confirm your purchase by selecting Complete Purchase or Subscribe. Your Nintendo Switch Online membership will be activated immediately, and you can start playing online multiplayer games, accessing cloud saves, and enjoying exclusive member benefits. The subscription will auto-renew unless you turn off automatic renewal. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.